All right, this is from the activity that we did on the second day of class this week. You guys were assigned slide 10 to do on your own as homework, but I had some questions about slide 7, which I wanted to answer for you. So we haven't got to this yet, but we will eventually. I wanted to give you guys some experience with some of the special cases that happen when you're solving algebraic equations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and work through this. So that way you guys can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and write the abstract. I have 3 x's on this side, and I have 5 on this side. Okay, and then on this side I see 3 x's plus 5. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use the throwaway method. I could have dragged up negative 1s as well. So I'm going to take 5 1s off this side. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, all right, all the numbers have disappeared. So I did 5 away from both sides. Now I'm at no numbers left. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with the x's. So I'm going to take an x off this side, and an x off this side, an x off this side, an x off that side, and an x off this side and that side. Oops, there's another one there for some reason. Okay, so after I do that, I see that I have nothing left at all. So I have 0 equals 0. Okay? And then a problem like this, we would call this infinitely many solutions. I just spelled infinite wrong. Infinitely many solutions. Infinite. I'm going to look it up. All right. I-T-L-Y. Infinitely many solutions. It means that no matter what number I plug in for x, it will always give me it will always work. Every single number will. Right? So let's go ahead and do the next one. So for this one, I'm trying to figure out what x is. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the throwaway method. So I'll take an x off this side, an x off. Oh, let me write it out first. This one would be negative 2x minus 3 equals negative 2x minus 1. Okay? So take away my x's, 2 x's from both sides. So I'm taking away negative x's, so I'm going to add 2x to get rid of the negative. And then I'm going to take away one of the negative 1s from both sides, so plus 1, plus 1. All right. Now when I do that, I have a negative 2 on this side, and I have 0 left on that side. So negative 2 equals 0. Now, remember this is equations. It means that it has to be balanced. So what number could I plug in for x that this will be balanced? And the answer is nothing. There is no solutions to this equation. Okay? It will never work. Okay, and so those are our 2 special cases. Whenever you don't end up with an answer, it's either an infinitely many if both sides are the same, or it's no solutions if they come out unequal.